Find the values of h and k that satisfy the matrix equation. So here we have a matrix equation, which is, of course, the product of two matrices on the left-hand side, and that is equal to the single column matrix on the right-hand side, which is 0, 1. So this product is equal to 0, 1. Now we are going to rewrite the product here just for the sake of our animation. The result of the matrix product is as follows. Well, we have the exact matrix product there, and what we need to do is multiply this matrix by this one, and that was already done. The matrix product was simplified to give the following result, and there's the result. It was already simplified. That matrix product, which is the original matrix product, was simplified to give 15 minus k, 4k plus 5h. Do not forget that we need to find the values of h and k. Corresponding elements are equal. Now, if we have two matrices that are equal, the first element of the first will be equal to the first element of the second. So corresponding elements are equal. 15 minus k is equal to 0. Let us take a common sense approach to find the value of k. Now what do we notice? 15 minus k is equal to 0. This can only be true if k is equal to 15. It is clear that for the result to be equal to 0, k will have to be 15. 15 minus 15 is 0. Therefore, the value of k is known immediately. K is equal to 15. Again, we will equate corresponding elements. 4k plus 5h will be equal to 0 because the last element of the first must be the last element of the second. Corresponding elements must be equal. 4k plus 5h will be equal to 0. We have already found the value of k to be 15. At the moment, we have one equation with two unknowns. Well, in terms of the physical appearance of the equation, two unknowns. But k is not really unknown because we have already found the value of k to be 15, and we will substitute that in the place of k in the equation. So we have 4 times 15 plus 5h is equal to 0. K is equal to 15. We substitute that into the equation. 15 times 4 is 60. That is the only thing that is new. We are just multiplying by 4 right here. On the left-hand side, we will eliminate 60 by subtracting 60. And we will also subtract 60 from the right-hand side. Subtract 60 from the left-hand side. 60 is going to be eliminated. Subtract 60 from the right-hand side. We will have 0 minus 60 is equal to negative 60. The resulting simplification is 5h is equal to negative 60. And in finding the value of h, we need to divide by 5 on both sides. When we divide by 5 on the left-hand side, 5 will be eliminated, leaving only h. On the right-hand side, 5 into 5 is 1. And 5 into negative 60 is negative 12. Well, if we have an equation, for example this one, which equates to 0, we will imagine that one of the terms will have a positive value and the other will have a negative value. Therefore, having a positive and a negative answer in this particular case should not come as a surprise. If we do not have one positive and the other negative, then they will not have a sum of 0. As a matter of fact, for them to have a sum of 0, this product will have the same size as this product, but the signs will be different. The result will be 0. As a matter of fact, when they have the same size and different signs, we say that they are additive inverses. Their sum is 0. Additive inverses will have a cancelling effect on each other by addition. So there we have the values of h and k, where h is equal to negative 12 and k is equal to 15. 4 times 15, that's 60, and 5 times negative 12, that's negative 60. We are correct. Download Richard James Mathematics Resources app from the Google Play Store and have all of your examination solutions, instructional manuals, and other electronic books and booklets in one place. Also, have all of our products and services at your fingertips and on the go. Call or WhatsApp 876-351-9689 or 876-318-8848 for all hard copy books and booklets to complement your studies. Significant discounts will be given to everyone who is registered with any of our programs.